With presence of mind, rate your confidence today. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1652 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom is my name, so S-H-E are my initials. Kept my maiden name even after, or my married name after I got divorced, because I like S-H-E as initials better than S-A-H, Sharon Ann Horn. So I just, and you know, after you've been married for over for 25 years, it's like, really, am I going to go back to my maiden name? Nah, not so much. Anyway, too much information. Today, we are talking about confidence for the month of August, as that area of the life framework is our area of focus for this month as part of the BU 365-day challenge. And our topic today was our thoughts and beliefs around confidence. So we're going to pay attention as we go throughout our day what our thoughts are and what our beliefs are with respect to how confident and capable and how good we feel and how positive we feel about different situations that we find ourselves in. I am personally, we're going to rate ourselves on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being, I'm the most confident, I got this, no matter what happens in the world, I'm cool. And everything will work out perfectly for me because the universe is rigged in my favor. And I'm actually going to do it for each different area and aspect of my life. As I'm paying attention throughout my day, I'll carry around a little yellow Post-it note. I love Post-it notes. Thank you, Dad, and 3M. To tally and keep track of things. And I will then, at the end of the day, tonight before I go to sleep, I will average those out. Why? Because I'm a nerdy engineer and I like to complicate things. And instead of just saying overall at the end of the day, how did I feel today confidence-wise, I'm going to do it in a little bit more complicated scientific way. So, I don't know, it makes me feel good. So, we're going to think about our thoughts and beliefs. Why? Because our thoughts and beliefs impact everything, right? And I'm not going to go into detail on that. I'm watching my granddaughter today on the baby monitor. Yes, I am multitasking, which is one of the 10 things that I shared today in the Supersize Your Business group that we're not supposed to do when we want to have presence of mind, when we want to be in the present moment. We talked about 10 different ways that we can be in the present moment and we can have more presence of mind, especially when it's important for us to. And guess what? Our life is lived right now. We're always living our life right now. A lot of us live in the past sometimes or worrying about the future, but the truth is right now is the only opportunity we have to be, do, have, and impact anything. So we want to make sure that when it's important to be present, we actually are. When I'm hanging with my granddaughter, I am practicing presence of mind. I am practicing letting everything else go and ignoring it so I can pay attention to her, because she deserves my presence, my undivided attention. And I'm not 100% great at it. Sometimes I actually stink at it, especially if I'm tired or hungry or hangry or something. I don't necessarily act in the present, wonderful way that I want to, and I don't always show up like I want to as her grandma. But I'm continuously improving, and that's the purpose of this year's annual challenge, is to just continue to be a better version of ourselves every single day so that we can automatically work toward achieving the goals and objectives and showing up in the world in a way that we feel awesome about to make the world a better place. So, presence of mind, confidence, how confident are we in different areas and aspects of our life? What are our thoughts and beliefs around confidence? Remember, beliefs are just thoughts we think a lot, or a thought that we had that was tied to a significant emotional event, either positive or negative from our past or even our present. If we get in a car accident, we think something, that thought can now be locked into our psyche as a belief, because trauma, drama, really strong emotions lock certain things in that can trigger us in the future. All right, any questions, hit me up. Lots going on around here, so in addition to hanging out with my granddaughter. Always seeing how much more I can do. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.